Hi guys, it's Miss Bailey here. I am ready to do a recipe with you guys. Today we are going to do friendship treats. So what you need today is your ingredients list, the directions for how to make the treats. You need your special ingredients list and what each item or marshmallow means, because we're talking about being a friend today. You need, in our ingredients, you need 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats. I only have about 2 cups, so I'm going to use 2 cups of Rice Krispies and 3 or 4 cups of the cereal part of my Lucky Charms. You need your box of Lucky Charms. You will need about 3 or 4 bowls to separate. So you have to separate your marshmallows from your cereal, your Lucky Charms cereal. You will need a big bowl for marshmallows. So you need about a bag of marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, and a spoon and a muffin tin, like this. If you don't have a muffin tin, you can just use a regular cake pan or bread pan, just anything that you can smush it into to make a shape, okay? So gather all your ingredients and then we'll get started with the first step. Okay guys, so first step, let's separate those Lucky Charm marshmallows from the cereal. So what I do is I got a small bowl for the marshmallows, a bigger bowl for the cereal, and then just a regular bowl to pour from the box. So first step, take my cereal, pour it into the bowl, and from here I start to separate my marshmallows from the cereal. As you go through, see if you can find the marshmallow that matches the shape. As you find it, talk about what each one means. So we have a heart for kindness, star for loyalty, a horseshoe for teamwork, a clover or shamrock for encouragement, a moon for respect, a cauldron, a pot of gold for sharing, rainbow for smiles, and a balloon for fun. So all of these are things that a friend has, qualities that a friend has. So your friends should be kind to you. They should want to work with you in a team. If you are somebody's friend, you should encourage them. Tell them, hey, great job, you can do it, I believe in you. Friends share, they smile at each other, and they have fun. So you and your partner, your parent, whoever, go through that cereal, see if you can identify all of the shapes that you find, and then once you get them all separated out, you're ready for the next step. Okay guys, once you have your marshmallows separated from your cereal, you're ready for the first step. Step 1, we put the butter and the puffy white marshmallows into a microwave-safe bowl. So we need to be able to put the bowl in the microwave. We're going to put them together, set the microwave for 3 minutes, stopping it every 30 seconds to a minute and stirring it, okay? So if you have your core board with you up on your device, or you have the hard copy, you could say, tell your parent, I want that. Or you could say, put that in. So first, we're going to put our butter into our bowl. So put in. Here are my marshmallows in my bowl. So I'm going to put the butter in. Okay, now what do? Put it in the microwave. So again, we're going to say, put in. Okay, so as you're checking on it, your marshmallows and butter should start to look really drippy like this. You should be able to stir it around. Almost looks like frosting. Your next step is to stir in the Rice Krispies cereal until it's coated in the melted marshmallows. So we need how much? 6 cups. So remember, I only have about 2 cups of Rice Krispies. So I'll do the first couple cups of Rice Krispies, the last cups of my cereal. 2. Oh, you know what? I bet I can do more. 3. Ooh, maybe I can get 4. 4 cups of Rice Krispies. So now I need 2 cups of my Lucky Charms cereal. 1. 2. Okay, so that's 4 cups of cereal. So what did I do with the cereal? I put in. Now what do I need to do? Let's see, I poured it in and now I have to stir. So get that spoon and start stirring it in. Okay, my cereal is all stirred up. It's really, really sticky. Look at that. Now what's next? After we stir in the cereal to the marshmallows, we add the Lucky Charms marshmallows. So we are going to put in marshmallows. You think that's enough? I think I should do more. So I'm gonna say, put more in. Put more in. All of it. Put all of the marshmallows in and then stir it up all over again until it's mixed all the way. Okay guys, last step. Are you ready? My marshmallows are mixed in. It's really sticky. It smells really good. Last step. Put the mixture into our muffin tins. Now to do this, you need your muffin tin. I would put the baking cups in or use some spray to grease it down so that they can come out easier. You're also going to need a spoon to scoop it. But first, if you have spray or some leftover butter, I would spray that spoon really, really good so that it scoops and it slides off really easy. So I'm going to spray my spoon. Now I am ready to put in the cups. Scoop it out and stick it in. Oh my goodness, this is messy. Scoop and put it in. If you need to spray it again, that's okay. And just keep on scooping. Scoop and put it in. Keep going until they're all filled up. Once they're all filled up, set it aside for about 30 minutes. You could even put it in the fridge to help it set. And then once they're ready to go, you can eat them, or you can share with your friends. If you share with your friends, remember, keep your distance. Maybe you could put them in a bag and leave them at their front door, put them in their mailbox, whatever you want to do. Have fun.